Hi there. Mind if I sit?
Hello. Sure, have a seat.
Thanks. I'm John, by the way.
Nice to meet you, I'm Sarah.
Are you a regular here, Sarah?
Not really, just visiting today.
Oh, I love this place too.
Yes, the coffee is really good.
What do you usually order here?
I like their cappuccino. How about you?
I usually get a latte.
Sounds good. Latte is my favorite too.
Do you come here often?
Not often, maybe once a week.
I come here almost every morning.
That's nice. Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work at the library.
Oh, the library is close to here.
Exactly. It's very convenient.
Great. Maybe we'll meet here again.
Hello, I'm Helen. Are you new?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome. I work in marketing here.
Nice. I'm Jane, in sales department.
Great. Have you met the boss yet?
Not yet. I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry, everyone is very friendly.
That's good to hear. Thanks.
Do you like your office so far?
Yes, it's bright and very clean.
Good. Where did you work before?
I worked at a small company.
Interesting. Did you like your old job?
Yes, but I wanted a bigger team.
That makes sense. Are you free now?
Yes, I just finished lunch break.
Perfect. Let me show you around.
That would be great, thank you.
This is the break room over here.
Looks cozy. Can we get coffee here?
Of course. I'll show you the machine.
Awesome. I feel happy to join here.
Hi, I'm John. Welcome to the street.
Thanks. I'm Bill. Just moved in.
Great. Which house is yours?
Number 12, right next to yours.
Oh, perfect. I'm number 10.
Nice. How long have you lived here?
About 5 years. You'll like it.
That's good to hear. Thanks.
Do you need help with anything?
Maybe boxes. They are quite heavy.
No problem. I can help now.
Really? That would be amazing, thanks.
Let's start with the living room.
Sure, I'll bring some boxes here.
Wow, that's a lot of boxes.
Yes, moving is always hard work.
Do you have kids or pets?
Just a dog, a small beagle.
Cute. My kids will love him.
They can meet him tomorrow maybe.
Sounds perfect. We can have a small play date. Hi, I don't think we've met.
Hello. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet.
I'm John. How do you know Jane?
We're old friends from college. You?
She's my cousin. Glad to be here.
That's nice. First time at her parties?
Yes, it's my first one.
Don't worry, everyone is really friendly.
That's good. I was a bit nervous.
No need. Just enjoy and relax.
Thanks. What do you do, Sarah?
I'm a graphic designer. And you?
I work in finance at a bank.
Cool. Do you like your job?
Mostly, yes. It can be stressful sometimes.
I understand. Some jobs are like that.
So, have you tried the snacks yet?
Yes, they're really good. Try the cookies.
Great idea. I'll get some now.
Want to sit together while eating?
Sure. Let's find a nice spot.
Hi. Are you Nancy, the new colleague?
Yes, I'm Nancy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Nancy.
Thanks. Is this our first online meeting?
Yes, I work in marketing here.
I'm in the sales department, Jane.
Great. We will work together sometimes.
That's good. I look forward to it.
Do you need help with the platform?
Yes, I'm still learning some features.
No problem. I can show you today.
That would be great, thank you.
First, click on the meeting button here.
Okay, I see it now. Got it.
Good. Next, we can share our screens.
Sounds perfect. I'm ready to try it.
You can also chat in the box.
Oh, I see. That's very helpful.
Do you have any questions so far?
Not yet. You explain very clearly, Jane.
Thanks. I'm happy to help anytime.
Hi, are you the new club member?
Yes, I'm Jim. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jim.
Thanks. This is my first meeting.
Welcome. What made you join our club?
I love photography and meeting new people.
That's great. We do a lot together.
Sounds exciting. I hope I can learn.
Of course. We help each other here.
That's good to hear. Thanks, John.
Do you have your own camera?
Yes, a DSLR. I love taking pictures.
Perfect. You'll enjoy our outdoor sessions.
Can I join the next outing?
Absolutely. It's this Saturday at 10.
Great. Where should I meet the group?
At the park entrance near the fountain.
Got it. I'll be there on time.
Do you like editing photos too?
Yes, I enjoy using Lightroom a lot.
Awesome. We'll share tips and tricks then.
I'm excited. Thanks for the warm welcome.
Hello, I have a reservation today.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Jane Parker.
Thank you, Jane. Let me check.
How long is the check-in process?
It's very quick. Only a few minutes.
Great. Can I get a room with view?
Yes, we have a room on 5th floor.
Perfect. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Do you need a map?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here's the hotel map and nearby attractions.
Excellent. What time is breakfast served?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily.
Got it. Can I request extra pillows?
Of course. I'll have them ready.
Thanks. Is Wi-Fi included in the room?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is in every room.
Great. How about parking?
We have free parking behind the hotel.
Perfect. I feel welcome already. Thank you.
My pleasure, Jane. Enjoy your stay here.
Hi. Are you the new team member?
Yes, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
Thanks. I'm excited to join this team.
Great. We work on science projects here.
That's perfect. I love science experiments.
Do you have a favorite subject?
Yes, I enjoy biology and chemistry.
Awesome. You'll fit well in our team.
Thank you. Can you show me around?
Sure. Let's start with the lab room.
Sounds good. I want to see equipment.
This is where we do most experiments.
Wow. Everything looks so modern and clean.
Yes, we take good care of it.
Who else is in our team?
Tom, Lily, and I are the main members.
Nice. I hope we work well together.
I'm sure we will. Teamwork is fun.
Can we start a new project today?
Yes. Let's discuss ideas after class.
Perfect. I'm excited to begin working together.